Hello and welcome. So in this video tutorial I will let you know how you can create different type of the typing effects using the HTML, CSS and the JavaScript. So without wasting of time, let's move forward. So you can use any code editor that suits you. I will use VS Code in this video. So I need to add a starter file. Click on the add new file. I will name it index.html. Press enter. Now I need to add the basic doc type of the HTML. After that I will go to the body and add a div and assign a class to it. Then close this div. And then I will add a heading here. Now I need to create a new file and I will name it style.css. Press enter and then now I need to put some CSS here. Now I need to link this style sheet to our HTML doc type. Add a source and then close this. Now go to the CSS again and just copy this class name, add a dot to target the class. Display to flex, align the items in the center and also justify the content in the center. Now I need to target the heading. We'll just add a color and add a font size and add a font family. Now go to the HTML, just save this and then click on go live. If you want to use this extension, you need to go to the search bar and search for the live extension, and then you would be able to see it on the bottom of your code editor. And now you will see that our HTML and CSS is working fine. Now we need to just add a typing effect. Go to the new tab and search for the Typed.js. Go to this first link and scroll down. Copy this CDN. Now go to the HTML and add it here. After that, add a script here. Just add where typed is equal to new typed. Before doing this, we will add a span tag over here instead of the quotas. Add a class. We'll name it auto. Then close. Now fetch this class from here. Dot auto. Add a comma. Add a curly braces here. Now add the different strings that we want to return. Add a comma. Now add the type speed. 150. Add a back speed as well to 150 and set the loop to true. Now just save this. Now go to the style.css and add a color to this span, and now come over to the HTML and just add a space here. Just save this and now refresh. Now you will see that we have added our typing effect using the HTML, CSS and JavaScript easily. So if you found anything good in the video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel so you will get the latest updates. Thank you so much.